Contractors ask me sometimes, like, do I need a formal office space before I start recruiting and hiring and training people? And the answer is yes. Here's why, okay? If you're running like the friends and family business where, you know, your brother-in-law and your friend's wife and stuff are kind of working with you, they don't really mind that you don't have a formal office, right? They trust you, they know you, it's not a big deal. But once you start putting out ads and you're like trying to advertise that you're a multi-million-dollar roofing company and people start showing up for an interview at your basement, it's going to be weird. All right. So you've got to have, and the other thing is you don't want weirdos from the internet. You don't know who's going to show up. You don't want all these people like coming to your house and knowing where you live. Okay. That's just not the right time to do it. So ideally what you need to run my system is an office space that has a conference room area, probably like to hold 15 to 20 people at least comfortably. That's what I recommend. And at least 1 or 2 private offices so that you can do the one-on-one parts of like the interview and stuff like that. So that's really all you need. And a big whiteboard. And if you're not somebody who's quite ready to pull the trigger on a formal contract lease, you can check out stuff like Regus, Regus. And those are gonna be options for like no contract, month-to-month commercial leasing. So I hope that helps.